Listen, it's a new way to wholesale houses and you better get in tune. Recently, I had this lead come in online, okay? And with this lead coming in, it was a pre-foreclosure, okay? So the person was extremely motivated, all right? It was kind of awkward because the actual person living in the property that was selling the property, right? I couldn't get a conversation with. I had to talk to their friend. So they told me, hey, just talk to my friend. Then when I talked to the friend was like, well, my friend who's living in the house who owns the property is not good at talking about this type of stuff and wants me to handle everything, etc. And I'm like, okay, let's get the deal done. And we got the numbers in. I think we agreed on 55,000. I'm looking at the comps, and the comps, they were at around 180 to 200,000 for the comps for this particular property. So I'm like, man, this is a good deal, dude. This is a good deal. I like this deal. For those who are wondering how you do comps, well, I have MLS access. If you want to know exactly how to use my MLS access, what you can do is you can go to duruleads.com. duruleads.com. You get a 7-day free trial, and they have MLS comps. They'll show you what's active, what's not, etc. So you can gauge the comps really well. All right, so I lock up the property, all right, for 55,000. There's another sibling involved, and other sibling says, hey, I'm good with selling, just want to get rid of it. Now, the problem is the two siblings don't talk. So I'm basically the mediator. And I have to arrange, this property is 3 hours away from me. I have to arrange, right, for people to go get in and out. Now, the way I got pictures, I went to a website, investorboots.com, and on this particular website, Investor Boots, they go out there, take pictures, and do everything else for you. Now I got my pictures, and I'm sending it to the buyers. Buyers are coming back at 40,000. All right, I got it for 55. But the house was bad. I'm not gonna lie, house is bad. Buyers coming back at like, one guy had 40, another guy had 45. One guy said, I can do 50. And I'm like, bro, come on. So, and I'm at 55. I'm like, yo, the house is worth 180 to 200. What the hell is going on? Like, why is nobody not giving me? I get the house needs a lot of work, but I'm leaving a lot of room on it. Now, I was marketing the property for $69,000. 55, I got it at 55, market for 69,000. So in my mind, they're getting a great deal because this property is worth 180 to 200,000. They can put 60,000 into it and they still got meat on the bone. The way I price my deals so that the end buyer can have meat on the bones. So it wasn't selling as a traditional wholesale. So I had to do what people call today a novation, right? So I had to do a novation. And I end up listing it on the MLS. We end up selling it for like $81,000. So I walked away with $23,997 at closing. Listen, I'm telling you now, man, the strategies are changing in real estate and you gotta adapt to keep the money coming in. All right, that's my story on how I made $23,997. Now, if you want to see how I get sellers and buyers' phone numbers to call them up to see if they're interested in my deals and see if they're interested in selling the property, check out this video next to me on how I save thousands of dollars a year using their skip tracing. I'm Nasser, aka the real estate guru. I'm not a guru, I'm a guru because I actually do this business. Peace.